for the House of Collab, and their audition actually happens on the TikTok platform. So what we do is we recruit them, we look for them from the audition videos that they send through their TikTok posting, and then we evaluate. In terms of evaluation of these talents, we have a criteria on how we select, on how we create.
May age limit ba dyan, or dami ng followers?
We actually take all of that into consideration. Of course, syempre, yung number of followers, their reach, the kind of content that they do. Star quality, of course, is also part of the package.
So, hindi pwedeng mag-join yung mga...
No, we are actually very, very open.
Hindi, meron naman may mga funny, di ba?
Kasi, of course, syempre, each talent has something unique to offer, especially those that are unique. And you know, most of our talents, those that are unique, actually do the best in the House of Collab because they have something different to offer. And we are always so accustomed to yung a star, yung what a star is, what a star would look like. So now we're able to give you more relatable content because now you can relate to the actual content creator who you see on the platform.
Pero dapat content creator na sila dati pa.
Actually,
before joining this.
Actually, sir, what they do is they really just create material on TikTok.
Ano lang.
Yes. And some of the material they do, it can be funny, entertaining, mostly unique. Yan talaga yung pinaka one of the factors that we look at. And then we curate them, and then we place them in one season of the House of Collab. So it's really different talents, and not only Filipinos. We're also open to international content creators or talents. We've actually have several international talents who have come to the House of Collab.
Bakit kailangan nasa loob silang ng isang bahay?
Okay, that's a really good question. Of course, in terms of the collaborative spirit of the House of Collab, when you are here, when, for example, one talent has a different audience segment that they are able to tap. So, imagine all 25 talents collaborate, create content together. Imagine what kind of exponential growth it does to them as talents. So when they collaborate with one another, it's easier for them to grow as talents. And then second, it also challenges them in terms of creativity. They get to talk to someone who is their colleague, their peers. Now, this is what you do in terms of creating content. Now, I can support you also in that. So it's very collaborative. You may think that it's a bit competitive because they're gunning for a certain price. But it's actually really collaborative. You get to learn from another content creator's skills and talents and the kind of content that person does. And then you learn from it.
Talaga? So, pero individual yung paggawa ng content. Like ako gagawa ko ng content, sarili ko lang. Tapos hindi ako
yes, you can create your individual contents with the help of other talents, but they also collaborate. So, for some contents, may kita nyo, dalawa sila doon, tatlo sila,
pwede
or
yun.
They do group content.
Paano po yun? You give task na, halimbawa, magagawa sila ng content.
Like for this week.
Parang may kailangan bang ganito yung gagawin nila? May directives
Yes.
ba?
In terms of direction, of course, we also give them directions. Pero usually, you know, these talents, they're very, very talented. Alam nila, they know what kind of content works for their audience, for the platform, and also for the brands that we work with. Alam nila, we can give them direction. Of course, syempre, these talents, they come into this business. They're not really content creators yet when we got them. Of course, we are trying to build them up as talents. Diba? We want to make sure that this becomes a sustainable career for them. Diba? Because this is something new. It's not really something that you learn in school, right? To become a content creator. So in the House of Collab, that is what we're able to do. So we also give them direction, give them a strategy. All the talents kasi under the House of Collab are all under our management agency already.
So really so once na pumasok sila, nagiging talent na.
They're already under our talent management agency called Fairfax Entertainment Management Inc.
Paano yung winner? Anong benefits niya?
Of course, diba, they get the cash prize, they get that incentive. But aside from that, they really get to experience all the brand deals talaga. different
okay.
brand deals. And then even after they go out of the House of Collab or after they graduate, so imagine, di ba, we have 25 to 50 talents. What happens to them after the season? Usually yung question, what happens to them? They become our talents and then we partner them up with different brands.
Okay. So yung mga brands sa inyo pumupunta and then kayo ang nag-a-assign kung sino. Okay.
So kami yung nagpipitch sa brands, kami nakikipag-negotiate.
Okay.
So kami talaga yung management nila. In terms of building their careers.
So nakakakuha sila ng tamang talent fee, not like kung diretso sa kanila.
Yes, sir, buti na mention nyo yan, no? So kami talaga, we're able to provide that kasi usually, of course, yung mga talents natin in terms of skills, we know they're very talented. But they're not, they don't know how to negotiate.
Yes.
And we want to make sure that they are still in that creative space. So yung mga organizational administrative tasks, kami nang bahala. They take care of the creativity, the content, that's their focus. Pero kami, we provide you with the brands, we provide you with the administrative tasks. But you don't have to work on that anymore.
So what made you decide na magbigay ng 1 million? Bakit kayo nag-decide to think na okay na yung dati, na wala namang friend?
Yes, it's actually really an extra incentive for our talents so that they create much better content.
Okay.
They were actually already doing great content. So ngayon, nag-level up yung content natin, nag-level up din yung their participation also in the House of Collab. Although, in the past, it was really already really great content. Ngayon lang nag-level up because there's a competitive factor. And of course, syempre, usually, we really get asked, what do they get at the end of the season? We always get asked that question before. So, in-explain namin na they get to experience all the brand deals, all the perks. Because imagine, every week may shopping trip yan, meron yan, field trip, etc.
Kasi nga maraming brands ang gustong makipag-collab
yes,
din.
maraming brands na they get to work with during the course of the 3 months. As in, we really work with so many different brands. So, saan nila ma-experience yun? Dito lang talaga, inside the House of
What
Collab.
if kung pare-parehas na lang yung content nila, anong ginagawa niyo?
Well, actually, that hardly happens kasi they have different personalities. They really have different styles of creating content. So, iba-iba talaga. And ang maganda dito, they're able to merge it. They're able to really merge it and nagkakaroon ng ibang kind of content. So, usually, ito lang yung content nila. They're just talking. Tapos, pag pumasok yung isa nating talented na talent na marunong mag-create ng skits, now we have skits for this talent. So, it's really a collaborative work.
So, ito hindi lang to parang pwede rin ng LGBTQ. Meron kayong mga ganun dito.
Yes, we actually have a very, very strong LGBTQIA+ community.
LGBTQIA++.
Yes. Very, very strong kami dyan sa community na yan. We actually have a lot of talents under that category. Meron din kaming a certain bedroom that is for them. So, meron kaming girls room, boys room. And then for our LGBTQ community, there is also. Because we understand na there's also a community for that.
Meron nag-join na
Yes po.
Sa batch na to
sobrang
meron?
dami. Yes.
Siguro pumuntahan, ikaw na pumapakilala po sa kanila.
Talaga?
Yes. Actually, I think better,
separate.
no? They introduce themselves. Of course, we start with the man behind the House of Collab.
Right.
Binari namin yung TV, social media. So, ang ganda ng...
So yung concept nito, TV, social media. So pag pinag-combine yun, parang kang nagpe-perform talaga sa television. Sila lahat yan, magagaling mag-host sa hosting skills. Na lumabas man sila, may mga events and sila nag-host. Meron din dito yung dancers, mas pre-professionalize namin. Ngayon may mga iba't ibang klase na sila, racket sa dancing sa events. At meron din mga talagang yung tinatawag namin actors and actresses. Rumaracket na rin sa GMA at saka ABS.
Pero pinaka-idea ng House of Collab is tulungan yung mga maliliit na content creators paano sila lumaki at paano maging professional content creators. Yun ang goal ng House of Collab. Maging house, academy ng mga future social media superstars.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Wait lang, hindi pa ako tapos.
Sige, yan.
Oh, you take
Okay.
Ba't
So,
ako?
pero first time ito sa Pilipinas, yung ganitong
Actually,
concept. So, bakit nyo naisip na gumawa ng ganitong concept?
Actually, tatlong tao yung may idea dito. Talagang mga visionaries. Actually, yung dalawang boss ko, si Sir JB Advincula at saka si Sir John Herrera na sumalangit nawa kanya kanila. Sila talaga ang may brainchild nila to. Tapos sila yung mga visionaries. Sa nakita nila, maraming mga TikTokers na hindi nandudun lang sumasayaw, pero may million followers. So, ginawa nila, pwedeng i-house to mga to, tuturuan namin, and all. Na mas libre walang babayaran dito.
Tapos libre pagkain pa.
Yes,
And,
oo. At
so, in return, ano lang yung nakukuha nyo sa kanila?
pagka okay na sila and brand, parang
Pag sikat
talent agency.
pag marami nang kumukuha. Pero kayo rin ang nagbibigay sa kanila ng ng work, di ba?
Correct. Oo. At saka, hindi lang basta-basta mga brands sa kinukuha. Hindi yung mga nandun lang. At saka kasi, parang ang ginawa namin, professionalize namin kasi may mga TikToker na parang, ito lang, XD lang. Ito talaga, alam na nila kung paano i-manage alam na nila kung ano yung level nila at binibigay namin yun sa kanila. Yun yung pinaka-premium na nakukuha nila sa The House of Collab. Pag sinabing The House of Collab, hindi basta-basta yan. May premium.
Saka very timely kasi, nung nasa TV kami, nakita namin na, yung social media na yung next trend. So, pinasok namin. So, maganda yung TV media namin na background, tapos mineri namin sa social media. Maganda yung impact. So, kahit saan sila pumunta, TV, social media, pwede sila.
At pati pag-acting, alam na
Ayun
rin
nga
nila.
So, ano yung tinuturuan niya silang umarte, kumanta, sumayaw,
All
mag-host? So, parang mga Dots Entertainment nung araw, combination ng Dots
Actually,
and...
may mga skills din sila ng dancing and singing and acting. Pero pagdating dito, yun na yun, yung level na dire-raise namin yung bar nila. Kasi nga, syempre, wala namang time sila na maiho nila dun sa Dito na lang namin.
Saka nagpapasalamat kasi maraming artista na nagpupunta rito para
nga daw,
magturo.
like, si Pia daw nagpunta dito,
Jake
Pia Works
Cuenca,
pa.
Dennis Laurel, sila Gab Valenciano. Yun.
Si Jake Cuenca nagpataas ng dito, TikTok followers.
Because nakipag-collab
Yung pagka-
siya. Pero wala siyang TikTok, di ba?
Wala.
Yung pag-comeback niya, yun, dito siya nag-start.
So, si Pia, anong ginawa niya dito?
Nag-launch ng
Book. Nagpatulong sa
mga TikTok.
anong tawag sa kanila? Content creators. And then si Denise,
Collab. Kasi tayo
Collab.
din nasa kumo kasi din siya.
okay. Nakiki-collab sila.
Collaboration. Kasi pag ikaw nakikollab dyan sa mga yan, bukas makikita mo na yung impact.
Talaga.
Tataas ang followers mo. Ang dami kayang mga followers sa mga yan.
Hindi lang na alam kung paano gamitin pa.
Pag pinombay niya mga yan,
Business.
100 billion followers.
More pa siguro. Pero kayo, nakikialam ba kayo sa personal life nila? Since nasa House of Collab, kasi ang dami pala dito, puro madadrama buhay. So far sa na-interview ko, nalulungkot ako first question nila.
Hanggat maaari, hindi. Pero syempre, in personal,
kailangan.
ginaguide namin sila syempre at least para hindi rin ma-discourage. Ginaguide namin sila.
At saka mentorship lang. Kasi hindi po pwede rin namin pakialam. Baka ayaw din nila masyado i-disclose yung nila. Pero, yung mga yan, pagka lumabas sila, equipped na sila lahat.
Mas matibay na sila.
Mas matibay na sila.
Pero like for example sa ganito ba, nilalabas na nila kung sino sila? Naaamin na nila, like may mga...
Oo, mga open sila sa lahat.
Okay.
Tapos pag na-release mo kasi, di ba, kung ano yung mga nasa inside, pag na-release mo yan, paglabas sila, na sila.
So nakukunan nyo, na ipapalabas nyo lahat yon.
Walang dito, hindi nila tinatago lahat.
So hindi lang siya parang nagpe-perform lang sila every pati yung personal life.
Reality, kung ano yung real,
So kinikwento nila. Okay.
may backstory yung mga yan.
Marami ng backstory. So,
Hindi sila nagtatago. Lalo na pagka kami, may age na kami sila, bata, mga anak na tingin namin. Nagkikwento.
so sa season 1, sino na yung parang nag-boom talaga?
Season 1,
Hanggang season 6, kasi season 7 na to.
actually marami ng mga dating 1 million followers, ngayon 8 million, 10 million followers
Talaga.
na.
Sa TikTok to and
Sa mga influencers world, sikat kilala na sila.
yun talaga. Pero TikTok naman kasi ngayon ang pinaka. Pero itong House of Collab, napapanood siya via
Nag-start kami nung first 6 seasons sa Uno. Ngayon, TikTok na. TikTok Live.
Talk.live ang tawag niya.
So,
First kami sa TikTok. Kami ang first na in-accept na magkaroon ng reality. Kasi TikTok usually is live selling lang. Dance. Ngayon kami
so kayo lang ang
first
may
reality
ganitong
show.
concept sa
At
TikTok.
yung mga cameras, yung mga CCTV na pang reality, binaba namin para eye level, nakakausap ko.
Okay.
Kasi sa kabilang
Nakita ko nga kanina, ayun,
high
may
level.
mga, kasi may mga comments din na babasa rin yung, kumbaga engagement marami.
Kasi nga, yun yung talagang na hindi sila hinaus dito para tulong. Hinaus sila dito para mag-grow.
Para ma-enhance pa ang kanilang kung ano.
At hindi sila pinapabayaan na dyan lang o ano. Minsan yung mga, kinakausap din yung
Sa kompleto nito, hindi lang may life coaching, may life coaching importante. Saka paano nila isave yung mga pera nila.
Ayan. So basta yun, ito lang kaisa-isang reality or sa TikTok na pinayagan, inalaw ng TikTok.
Yes.
Okay. Pero yung question ko, ano nangyari sa Itbulaga?
Okay, kay Don Silvina, abangan
Hindi
nyo
nga. Hindi.
Hindi
Bakit
pwede.
nga? Kasi first, kumalat na nung first time di ba? First day, first airing nila.
Tumulong ako nung first days.
Okay.
Nandito pa ako sa House of Collab. Mas love ko to. House of Collab.
So iniwan mo yon.
Kanina,
So iniwan mo nga yun. Iniwan mo ang
Ayaw.
iniwan mo yung hindi.
alam mo ba, nabas siya,
Because
pick up lang kami,
so ganun talaga ganun talaga.
Hindi.
2 weeks ako nag-ano ng social media.
Hindi
ano naman
kasalanan
ngayon, di
kung
dapat
may mga
okay
kaibigan
lang.
Kami sa, katulad ninyo, may mga kaibigan kami.
Chinachat ko nga siya, tsaka nag-comment nga ako dun sa ano niya.
Pero mahal ko yung tape.
Aling tape mo na yung dating
Tape talaga.
so,
Doon ako nagsimula, 90s kasama ko si Don Silvina.
nalungkot ka ba nung nangyari na yung lahat? Tuluyan nang nawala rin.
Oo naman, syempre. Ayun, hindi mo tayo tinapis.